TUKU, kia matara.
Do I tick the box? Or is it a method to separate me? It's time to dispel the illusion and bring things into focus. We are kaitiaki of this land, protectors of this whenua. We cannot be contained in the corners we are given. Our blood runs heavy in this land. Passion runs deep in our veins. We dance through adversity, empowered by our whakapapa. We listen, we speak, we challenge, and we understand. We know how to be in this moment. This is our time. As indefinable rangatahi, we forge new pathways, present and represent, as we discover our ways. To stand out in the crowd, and together in strength, we are pioneers for change.
E ki ana te kōrero, ko ngai toko iti tātou.
They say we are few.
Ko tāku, he ope tātou.
I say we are one.
Ko tahi tonu te wairua,
One in spirit,
ko tahi tonu te aronga,
one in purpose,
ko tahi tonu te whakaaro.
one in mind.
Ko ia, ko tātou.
It is who we are.
Ko te tū,
We remain
he tū pūkeke, he tū tautuhi kore.
unstoppable, indefinable,
Ko te rangatahi tēnei, e huri atu, e huri mai.
ever-changing youth.
We are TUKU. Are you?